Okay, so now that we've talked about two different ways you could get the scholarly stuff, let's talk about the not scholarly stuff. So for that, we're actually going to go back to the very first tool, the library search, and we're going to search for something totally different, right? So user-centered design, that's like a technical word or concept that you're more likely to see professional scholars use than you are lay people. So let's try something else, like fitness tracker. And again, I'm putting it in quotes. Search, search, search. Search forever. Okay, there we go. Just as an aside, you could, if you wanted to, get rid of a couple of those characters, stick a star, the Shift 8 in there, and that searches for multiple endings for something. So it could be fitness tracker, fitness trackers, fitness tracking, yada, 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 yada. But so you can see here that we've got things like EMC Geriatrics, very scholarly journals, or technical forecasting and social change. Well, if you don't want those, what do? So before we checked peer reviewed, this time we're going to ignore that, go down, and right here there's a source types. So you can tell the tool that you want only certain kinds of things, different kinds of publications. So we're going to say we only want the magazines. We could have done newspapers too, but magazines is probably more what you're looking for here. And you see we have now articles from Men's Fitness in 2016 or PC Magazine. And wow, there are a lot from PC Magazine and Men's Health, but also some other more general type ones like Time I found all the way down here, or Woman? That's one I've never heard of before, but you know, that's one of the great joys of research is you find new publications and things all the time. So same deal here, you could full text, find it. Here you almost assuredly want to narrow it down the date range again. We don't want 1993, maybe more like 2015. See what people are really talking about at this point. And there's only like 600. So that narrowed it down pretty well. And we've got a wide variety of different publications you could choose from, and you didn't have to pay for them. No paywalls. So now you've got two different ways to look for scholarly things, one to look for some general popular things, and that should be enough to get you started.